So, hi everybody, my name is Gerda, fashion designer and fashion educator. Welcome to my channel. I would love to introduce you to, well, those are my mannequins, my babies. um, I have different sizes because I work with different clients with different shapes and stuff like that. So today what I'm going to do, I'm going to teach you guys how to take your measurement, which is your body measurement, but I'm going to use the mannequin and then I'll probably use my body as an example as well. Okay, so you're going to need a tape measure. All right, and if you don't have a mannequin, you can use your own body. Okay, and also you're going to need a piece of paper, a notebook, because I like to use a notebook. That way when you write it down, you write it down somewhere and then it doesn't get lost. Okay, and a pen or pencil for whatever you have, but make sure you have a piece of paper at least you can write it down. So number one, the measurement that I like to take when I'm taking body measurement, because it's always good to know your shoulder line, your shoulder measurement, the wide, because some people have broad shoulders and some people have soft shoulders. I have soft shoulders. My twin sister has broad shoulders, but we're not going to go into that. And then you're going to take your bust area, and you're also going to take your waist area, your waist measurement, and then you're also going to take your hip measurement. Those 3 to 4 measurements are very essential, okay, when it comes to making patterns or making a dress for yourself. Okay, so let's get started. The mannequin, what I want to show you also on the mannequin is this line is the princess line, and then those marks are like this is like the apex, which is where, you know, when you get your nipple. Okay, so this is where it is. So and then this is the center of the mannequin. If I'm going to drape something on the mannequin, I'm going to drape on one side, but we'll get into that later. And this is your side seam, and this is your side seam, and this is your princess seam on the back. This is your center back. This is another side princess seam on your back. It's got to be what, 1, 2, and then this is the center, and this is the other side of your body, and so forth. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to turn, since I'm going to take the first measurement I'm going to take is my shoulders. So I'm going to say my shoulders because I'm taking the measurements for myself because I am a size 12, by the way. So I'm going to go from one end to the next, to the end, and then I'm going to go from it's like 16, the measuring tape is 16, I would say 16 and a quarter. Okay, 16 and a quarter. So I'm going to write down, okay, body measurement, I'm going to put size 12. Okay, so shoulders are 16 and a quarter. Okay, so that's the next section I'm going to take measurement of is going to be the bust area. So I'm going to use my measuring tape. If I were to do it on myself, if you can do it yourself. You don't need somebody to do it for you. Just go around. Okay, just go around this way and then work around with the measurement tape, and then mine says 39, 38, more or less, because I try not to squeeze it too much because you want to have room. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, so yeah, this is 38 and a quarter. See, I am a size 12. Yeah. Imagine that. So this is like 38, but it's which is a good size. To me, that's a perfect size to be. You're not too small, you're not too skinny. Okay, so 38, I'm going to put bust, 38 inches. Okay, so 38 inches, for those of you who are using centimeters. 38 inches is 97 centimeters. Now the next part the next measurement I'm going to take is my waist measurement, which is the smaller, it's supposed to be the smallest part of your body. As you can see, the curve in, it goes in from your chest, from your bust area, it goes in and then it goes out. Okay, so I'm going to use the measuring tape. And for this mannequin, it's about 29 inches. 29 inches in centimeters, like 74 inches. 74, 73, 3/4, and 74. Okay, so I'm gonna write it down. Waist measurement is 29 inches. Okay, I work with inches, so I write all my measurements in inches. Okay, the very last part we're going to do is your hips. Now, granted, this mannequin has a butt, which is very good. So you're going to go up 8 inches down from your waistline, see, which is this twirl tape. And then I'm going to go in the center of the twirl tape and then go down 8 inches. This is my mark. Then I'm going to take my measuring tape and go around, and this is 39. Okay, so if I can hold the measuring tape around so you guys can see, so you see it's the widest part of your body at the bottom. Okay, well, my alarm is going off, sorry about that. So if I were to do it on myself, I would actually use my hand and feel my waistline, which is kind of this way, because as you can see I can go down and my hands went a little bit deeper. Then I'm gonna take the measuring tape and place it exactly where I feel my waist, and then I'm gonna go down 8 inches and 8 inches, which is, I don't mean to show you guys my butt, but I'm gonna, you know, this is the demonstration. So I'm gonna go around. So I'm gonna take the measuring tape and go around, and that I'm not gonna tell you guys how much it is. Sorry. So this is it. Well, it's about 44, which is not bad. Anyway, so this, and I'm gonna write down the one from the mannequin, which was 39 inches, hips area. Yeah, those are the measurements that you really need to have down pat. In case you go to a store and you're buying a dress, you can actually tell whether or not it's going to fit you, because different sizes, different designers have different sizes. It's not like back in the old days they had a size 12 from one designer can be a size 10 from another designer. So this is it for now. So basically, let's go back. We did the shoulders, okay, the cross shoulders, and then we did the bust area, okay, then we did the waistline, all right, and then we also did the hip line. Those are the most essential body measurements that you really need when it comes to making dresses, pattern making, and so forth. Okay, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and more videos will be coming soon. Thank you. Once again, my name is Gerda, and it was a pleasure.